and welcome to our channel IFCG, where we make learning fun and easy. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more enriching content. Today, we are diving into a fantastic word that will add sparkle to your vocabulary. Now let's talk about the word of the day, prominent. So what does prominent mean? It's a word we use to describe something or someone that stands out or is easily noticeable because of their importance or fame. Now, let's explore some synonyms for prominent. First, notable. Second, renowned. Third, famous. Fourth, leading. And fifth, well known. Want to improve your everyday conversation skills with the word prominent? Take a look at these sentences that will give you some practice. Number 1. The Eiffel Tower is a prominent landmark in Paris. Number 2. She has a prominent role in the school play. Number 3. His prominent nose made him easily recognizable. Number 4. The politician scandal was a prominent news story. Number 5. The company's logo is prominently displayed on their website. Here's a famous idiom related to being prominent. Stand out like a sore thumb. Stand out like a sore thumb means to be very noticeable, usually in a negative way. Something or someone that stands out like a sore thumb is very obvious and attracts attention because it doesn't fit in with the surroundings. It's a story time, friends. Just before we call it a day, I have a little story to share with you to understand prominent better. In a small town, a new student named Maya joined the school. She was shy and quiet, but her talent for painting quickly made her prominent among her classmates. Vidhi: Hey, have you met Maya, the new girl in our class? Ishi: Yeah, I have. She's really good at painting, right? Vidhi: Yeah, she's so talented. Everyone's talking about her art. Ishi: I know. It's like she's become really important in our class already. Vidhi: Exactly. She's become prominent so quickly. Ishi: Yeah, and even though she's shy, her paintings really stand out. Vidhi: Definitely. It's like her talent makes her shine, even if she is quiet. Ishi: Yeah, I wish I had a talent like that to make me prominent. Vidhi: You never know, maybe you do. But for now, let's go check out Maya's latest painting after school. Ishi: Sounds good. I can't wait to see what she's created this time. And that's a wrap for today's word, prominent. I hope you had a great time learning this word and understanding its importance in our language. Taking it one word at a time, and you will soon become a skilled communicator. Don't miss out on subscribing to our channel for more exciting new words. Thank you for joining us and keep up the good work in your learning journey. Bye bye.